What is going on, beautiful people? I am Chef B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So we're about to do a wig install and review, and this wig is giving me full fall vibes with this color. It is so beautiful. The hair is from Wowafrican.com, and this is their Glam Copper Tone Golden Highlight Full Body Wave Lace Wig. I got it in 22 inches and 180% density, but it's all about the hairline of this wig. This is their new Lagos hairline, or you can do your regular hairline that they have on the site, but we wanted to try this popular hairline because it's supposed to give scalp, okay? So I'm showing you the construct of the wig that comes with the extra stuff, especially the pull and go invisible adjustable strap. This wig is a 360 HD lace, and it is just everything. It is constructed to give you that flawless finish, and this is how transparent the lace is. Just stunning. But overall, it is the color for me. So I want this to look like my complexion, so I'm using this tinted mousse lace thingy-majig, and I've had it for a while, and I found it and I'm like, yeah, we need to tint this lace. I usually use makeup, but I have this lace tint and it's working perfectly. So I put the mousse on, then go in with a blow dryer to dry that down so that it could be more of like a chocolatey complexion like my skin tone. Now I'm going to go in with some edge control to brush my hair back. So I'm going to put all my edges back in. You don't need your edges for this. Because of the hairline, I want to make sure that everything is laying down. A lot of times, or with this type of hairline, I see people do the ball cap method. Y'all already know I'm a lazy girl. Like, girl, I can't be doing that extra stuff. I need my wigs to be pull on and go, like for real, for real. Especially when you pay a lot of money for your wigs. You just want it to be as easy as possible. You don't feel stressed and you don't require someone to do it for you. So I just put on the wig cap, put on some makeup on it to darken it, and then we're gonna put this wig on, okay? And we're trying to make this as simple as possible. This is my first time trying this hairline construct, and I was hoping that it will align with how my natural hairlining is. Disclaimer, it did not match exactly because, like I said, it's my first time trying it, but it did cover my edges that are a little bit more forward towards my eyebrows, so I like that. So I'm glad I have that, but it's still a little bit too small for my head shape. If you have that type of construct hairline, go for it, girl. So I'm just gonna go in with some lace spray, and I just spray that on there. I do the same method all the time. Lace spray underneath, and then pull the wig forward. Make sure that everything is aligned, and then I go in with a blow dryer to melt that down. If you want a more solid and secured melt, I would say use a lace glue. I don't like using lace glue. I like to take my wigs off at night. I don't mind putting it on and doing this whole thing again the next day. So I'm going to go with the spray. Then I'm going to tie it down. First, I tie it down with a melting band. Then I put on the satin wrap to melt it. And then I let that stay tied down for about a good 5 minutes just to make sure that it is melted properly. Now that my lace is melted, I'm just gonna go in with some makeup, or rather bronzing powder, just to make sure that my lace is blended and all that good stuff. And then I decided I wanted a center part for this look with curtain bangs instead of a side part. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb, trying to mold the hair for a center part. And once I have done that with a hot comb, I'm just going to go in with some mousse. Because the hair was laying to the side for a side part, we have to make sure that we're getting it to lay flat. I don't want it to be humpy and all of that because I naturally have a P-shaped size head. So I just want to make sure that it's not too humpy. And then I'm going to go in with some of that bronzing powder on the scalp itself just to make sure that the parting space is visible, especially because of the color of the wig. It could just like blend in and then you don't see the parting. So use a slightly light powder so that you can see the parting. Now I'm going to layer the hair in the front for my curtain bangs, and also so that it could frame my face as opposed to just laying straight like that. I love a layered hair. It makes it look so much better. It gives structure to the wig and so much more flair and style, and it looks professional. So now I'm just gonna go in with my curling iron, and I am curling away from my face in a sense. Like, I don't know how to describe the direction that I'm curling in. So I want you to watch how I am curling the hair, and yeah, it's nothing like rocket science or anything. It's more like going under and then curling inwards, outwards. I don't know, girl, but just watch the video and see which direction I'm curling. Now that the hair is curled, I'm just going to go back in with my scissors. And you didn't see me pin the hair because I didn't want it to be like a super uniform curl. I wanted it to be like beach wavy and just loose wave, but it would land in like a wavy motion. So I wanted it to just have that natural body wave type of vibe with the curtain bangs, because it is giving fall, it's giving free flowing, it is giving carefree, and I am just in love. So I went back in with my hot comb in the front just to flatten that top part just a little bit more. And then we're just going to go in with the curling iron again until I am satisfied with the direction in which the hair is curled in. And yeah, girl, like, this is so beautiful. I'm loving how this color plays off of my skin tone, especially my undertones. I think it is so perfect. I love when hair is almost like your skin complexion. It is such a vibe and so on trend for the fall. Like, I am loving this color. Like I said, I got this in 22 inches and it is 180% density. All the details will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love y'all so much for watching. Go and big up on yourself. Bye, guys.